Rhythm, but we see it as music. Yeah, it's a sound. Sound can also become music sometimes. Are you familiar with mushrooms or fungi? You know in your countries what kind of mushrooms you have or what kind of fungi you have? Yeah. So this is mushroom. The top part is mushroom. But what you cannot see is here, the bottom part. This is also part of the mushroom. This part is called mycelium. It's like the base or the body of the mushroom. So mushroom come up because they want to reproduce, they want to make more. So they come out to give out spores to make more mushrooms elsewhere. So mycelium, you can actually make and form into things towards light, and they move towards light. So when there's more light, they give off more carbon dioxide. Yeah. So we use the levels of carbon dioxide, control light give them, they make more. So it becomes that cycle. So it will always continue.
Thank you.
Now I
Where are they? Where are these? Where are they? Come.
So for these dishes over here, like you were wondering how it starts growing, right? So there are two ways to do it. One is they take the mushroom spores and inject it into like a substrate, and the substrate can be made of like wood, soybeans, different things, and then it grows, right? The other way is to put it in
Like
agar. Yeah. So these are petri dishes with agar, and the mushroom grower, he actually put liquid torches inside of the mushrooms, right? And then it's growing. So the white stuff you see is the mycelium, is similar to this, but shown in a different form. So what we are doing here is a microscope is enlarging whatever you see here, and then it controls the motors that will control the instruments.
wow.
To make sound.
Wow.
So this comes in cycles, so we might have to wait for a bit. But these are different variations. So like in the air right now, or on our fingers, we have a lot of bacteria.
Yes.
Different things. So if we open the dish, a lot of these contaminants actually go in there. So for them to grow, they actually need a very sterile
This whole thing took about 2 months. 2
Oh.
months. So if we actually keep it in the studio, if we grow it for a longer time, then they'll start to have mushrooms come out.
Oh, wow. It's so amazing. They make it as a box, sound box. Wow, so amazing, huh? How do mushroom can make this?
Mushroom can make sound.
Yeah.
Dia dikasih itu dia nyambung dari mana. Kalau di sini kita kan kayak ada drumnya.
Apa ya namanya?
Cici makan. Kan kayaknya dari sini tuh udah bergoyang kan? It's the first time the artwork like this I saw.
It's very unique. Yeah, it's like scientist things. They need to experiment and then they need to. This one is the original mushroom. Yeah, this is.
But this one dry ready because they say if
No, this one can eat one ma when dry also.
No,
No.
this one is a black fungus.
Oh, okay. Sorry? Yeah, we need to ask them to gather. There's a mic here. Maybe that.
So that's why we try other way to make sound.
make it like a whistle,
So cute.
it's triggering the sound from there.
But how it moves is from electric? How it's moving?
So this motor is connected to those. You see the
Oh, to
chips
there also.
and then it's to the computer.
So it's still from the my.
yeah, it's from the dish.
Oh.
Yeah.
So cute. Wow.
Hamat meaning is ant.
Come, you ask them to gather. Wow, got sound.
So for this one, we are very happy to work with a director that we have worked with before. So his name is Yeo Siu Hua. He has done a documentary about the observatory quite some years ago, and it was nice to reconnect with him and work on this whole exhibition together. So he does the moving image, which is this one and the one that you see at the other end of the room. So this one is basically P. Ramlee film titled Seniman Bujang Lapuk. P. Ramlee
So this is all mold. This is all mold that has come with food. So it's as though the mold became an actor.
So the kind of thing.
Oh.
It's supposed to be it's a comedy, and I think for us it's also quite relevant because you know, to be an artist in Singapore is quite difficult. And he was kind of making fun of that as well in the film.
I think this part should be disposed, right?
Yes.
Instead you use it to
Yeah. So it was
something more meaningful.
right. Yeah. So that's the interesting thing.
Yeah,
for us,
it's very interesting.
This is what we call the archive section. So the archive section would be the stuff that the band was about, the old members, the old songs that we used to write, the programs or the concerts or the tours that we used to make. So this one, what we did for this piece is to make a playlist of old songs, our songs for the past 20 years. We put them in a playlist and we let Mushroom playback like a DJ.
So everything is made from the mold. Actually, mushroom is a mold, right?
Albums that we have released and so forth. So we wanted to draw.
While they were in observatory, they also had their own projects. These are their past bands or past music projects.
So the videos as well, you can take some time to look at it. They are archival footage from